A billion miles from Earth, wrapped in a golden haze, drifts a world unlike any other, Titan, Saturn's largest moon. From afar, it looks like a frozen sphere, quiet and calm, its orange atmosphere glowing softly against the dark of space. Yet, beneath that silence lies something extraordinary, a hidden ocean, vast, dark, and alive with mystery. Titan has always captivated the human imagination. It's the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere, one rich in nitrogen, methane, and organic compounds that mirror the chemistry of early Earth. Rivers of liquid methane carve its surface, feeding lakes and seas that glitter under the distant sun. It is a world that feels both alien and eerily familiar. For decades, scientists have wondered what lies beneath Titan's frozen crust. Could there be an ocean beneath that icy shell, a subterranean sea of liquid water, kept warm by internal heat and tidal forces from Saturn's immense gravity? Recent evidence suggests there is. Radar and gravity data from NASA's Cassini mission revealed subtle movements in Titan's surface, shifts and ripples that could only occur if a global ocean sloshed beneath the crust. But what if that ocean is not silent? What if, buried under miles of ice, Titan's hidden sea echoes with the sounds of movement, the slow, rhythmic shifting of tides, the whisper of methane rain striking frozen plains, the faint tremor of currents flowing in darkness? Could there even be something more? The stirrings of chemistry, or life itself, humming softly beneath the frozen stillness? To understand Titan, we must journey back to its origins, to a time when the solar system was still young, its planets forming from clouds of gas and dust. Titan coalesced around Saturn, a moon so large it rivals Mercury in size. But unlike rocky planets, Titan's foundation is a mixture of rock, ice, and volatile compounds frozen solid in the outer cold. Its surface temperature averages a bone-chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze water into unyielding stone. Yet methane and ethane, which are gases on Earth, exist as liquids here, flowing freely in rivers and lakes. Through the thick orange haze, Titan's landscape appears hauntingly familiar: carved valleys, deltas, and rain-etched plains. It's as if we're looking at Earth through a frosted lens, a mirror of our planet frozen in time. Beneath the surface, however, lies something entirely different. Tidal forces from Saturn flex Titan's interior, generating heat deep within. This heat prevents the water layer from freezing solid, creating a subsurface ocean that could stretch for hundreds of kilometers below the crust. This ocean may be as deep as Earth's Atlantic, but it's sealed in darkness, hidden beneath an icy lid that traps the world's secrets. Inside that buried sea, strange interactions could be taking place. Water mingling with ammonia and salts, creating a chemical brew rich with potential. And just like on Earth, where hydrothermal vents teem with life in the deep ocean, Titan's hidden sea could be a cradle for something alive, something that stirs quietly in the dark, waiting for us to listen. When NASA's Cassini spacecraft arrived at Saturn in 2004, it became humanity's ear in the outer solar system. For 13 years, Cassini circled the ringed planet, sending back breathtaking images and invaluable data. But perhaps its most profound discoveries came from Titan. Peering through Titan's dense haze with radar and infrared instruments, Cassini mapped mountains, dunes, and glimmering methane lakes, and it dropped a small probe named Huygens onto the surface. As Huygens descended through the orange clouds, it recorded the winds, the temperature, the sounds. The microphones aboard Huygens captured faint hisses and distant rumbles, the whisper of Titan's winds brushing its parachute, the crackle of static from alien air. When it landed, it transmitted the first sounds ever heard from another moon. The quiet hum of a frozen world, a silence so complete it almost felt alive. But the data carried another whisper, one buried in radar reflections and gravitational signatures. Tiny fluctuations in Titan's rotation hinted that its crust might be floating atop a liquid layer. That layer, scientists realized, could be an ocean, vast, cold, and dynamic. These subtle signals, these faint tremors of motion beneath the surface, became the first indirect sounds of Titan's hidden ocean. Not in the audible sense, but in the language of data, a vibration across the ether that spoke of a world more active than anyone imagined. And yet, as Cassini plunged into Saturn's atmosphere in 2017, its mission complete, it left behind one haunting question. What would it sound like beneath Titan's ice? Would there be echoes, real or metaphorical, of movement, of chemistry, of life? The quest to uncover Titan's subterranean secrets is far from over. In the coming years, new missions will venture to this distant moon, carrying technology built to explore where Cassini could not go. Among them is NASA's Dragonfly, a revolutionary rotorcraft that will soar through Titan's skies, sampling its dunes, lakes, and atmosphere. Designed to operate autonomously in Titan's thick air, Dragonfly will explore multiple locations across the surface, searching for chemical fingerprints of prebiotic chemistry. But even as Dragonfly flies, scientists dream of going deeper, of sending probes capable of drilling through Titan's icy crust or descending into its methane seas. Submarine concepts, equipped with sonar and spectrometers, could one day listen for echoes beneath the ice, mapping Titan's internal ocean as if charting a new world beneath the waves. Artificial intelligence will play a critical role in interpreting these signals. Machine learning models trained on Earth's oceanic acoustics and seismic data could analyze Titan's vibrations, the minute quakes, the resonances, the shifting crustal harmonics, to reveal the movements of a buried sea. The idea of sound becomes poetic here. Titan's silence isn't emptiness, it's potential. Every vibration, every frequency hidden in its frozen depths could tell us something profound, not just about Titan, but about the conditions necessary for life itself. For in the cold, sound travels differently. It moves slower, denser, deeper, and somewhere, perhaps far beneath Titan's crust, those vibrations could tell a story, a cosmic symphony of liquid and ice, waiting for the right ears to listen. Titan stands as one of the most captivating enigmas in the solar system, a world where liquid rivers carve alien valleys, where methane rains fall from orange skies, and where an unseen ocean churns far below the surface. It is a world that bridges the familiar and the unknown. Beneath its icy silence may lie echoes of something ancient, the same chemistry that, billions of years ago, may have sparked life on Earth. When we speak of sounds on Titan, we speak not of melody, but of motion. The shifting crust, the subtle tides, the delicate vibrations of an alien ocean brushing against stone and salt. These are the sounds of geology, of chemistry, of possibility. One day, when our instruments grow bold enough, we may finally hear them, not through ears, but through sensors translating the silent frequencies of Titan's heart. In that moment, when the first vibrations of Titan's ocean reach us across the void, we may feel something profound, that life, or the potential for it, is not confined to Earth. It may whisper in the cold, sing in the dark, and resonate in the depths of worlds we have yet to touch. For now, Titan keeps its secrets locked beneath a shell of ice and time. But even in its silence, it speaks, a soft, steady pulse from a world adrift in Saturn's light, reminding us that the universe is still full of songs we have yet to hear.